Hello, my name is Elliot. I'm studying engineering and science communication, and today I will be analyzing a science-based comic about robots. Here's the cartoon. It features three robots talking about the efficiency of their lab. Now, to the untrained eye, it might not actually appear very special. However, if you look really closely, you might just realize that one of these robots is actually an imposter. Yes, there are actually only two robots in this picture, and one disguised human. But what is the difference between a robot and a human? The term robot was derived from the Slavic word robota, meaning forced labor in the 1920s. But this concept of the automata, the artificial person, can be found all throughout human history, from the clay golem of Jewish folklore to the metal servants of the Greek god Hephaestus. In this video essay, I will... Wait, what? I only have 3 minutes for this? And I've already used up one of them? Okay, forget that. Let's just talk about the comic. It features robots talking about how they've maximized efficiency by automating everything, while a nervous human pretends to be a robot. The comic utilizes a benign violation, that being humans have been replaced by robots in the lab. There are obviously real-world parallels that can be drawn from this, such as fears of automation eliminating jobs, and more fantastical concerns such as robot uprisings. However, the comic displays a very weak commitment to the violated norm. Yes, humans have been replaced by robots, but actually it doesn't seem very serious. All it takes is wearing a cardboard box to trick them. There's no perceived threat because the robots are made out to be incompetent. The absurdity and the incongruence of this situation is where some of the humor is derived from. The robots are supposedly running the lab at maximum efficiency, and yet they're unable to immediately tell something is strange with the third member of their group. And that's humorous. This comic simultaneously uses disparagement humor against both humans and robots. It pokes fun at the imperfect nature of humanity and how the machines we create can greatly exceed our own capabilities for specific tasks. However, it also acknowledges that these machines aren't actually smart when it comes to anything they're not designed to do. It's saying humans are so bad compared to robots, and then juxtaposing that with the idea that these robots are so dumb they're fooled by a childish disguise. You can tell this comic was made by a human. Well, for a few reasons, I hope. But one of them is that it makes humans out to be the superior and robots as the inferior, the ignorant ones, the butt of the joke. It's a mildly amusing comic, and certainly quite irrelevant to our modern day with the rise of artificial intelligence programs like ChatGPT, but because of the rapid progression in this developing field, I can't imagine how this comic will hold up in the future. It was already the Google engineer in 2022 who claimed they had created conscious AI, so what's the world going to look like in 10 or 20 or 50 years? If we do have sentient AIs, is humor like this, that's making fun of the shortcomings of robots, going to be socially acceptable? Or will people look back at us and say, those barbarians in 2023, making jokes at the expense of those poor robots? That's just some food for thought. Thanks for watching.